So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss the Leetcode contest problem, weekly contest problem, count subarrays with fixed count. So what is the problem statement? You are given with an array and two integer values min k and max k, and you have to find the number of subarrays whose minimum value is equal to min k and maximum value is equal to max k. For this example, you can see there is a subarray possible 135 whose minimum value is 1 and maximum value is 5, and you can also further see the minimum value is here. The another subarray is possible whose minimum value is 1 and maximum value is 5, and now you can see no other subarrays are possible because if you consider 7 in your subarray, then the maximum value will be 7 not 5, so you cannot take 7, and you cannot further move because if you take 5 alone then you cannot find the minimum value. So this is the problem statement. Now let's see the approach how you can solve it. So in approach you have to basically keep track of these four things, mainly starting of index of subarray and index of minimum of k and index of maximum of k, and you have to check whether both of these are found or not. So let's start by traversing our array and see. So if you found any element which is less than minimum of k or greater than maximum of k, then it is of no use. And for example, you can see here, yeah, if minimum of k is 3 and maximum of k is 4, then if you found one, then you cannot make a subarray including this, because if you make, then minimum will be 1. Similarly, if you see this 2, you moved forward your starting index here and see this 2, and this is also of no use. So move forward your index to this 3, and you can see this 3 is equal to this 3, so you can start from here. So this is that case. If your element is greater than maximum of k or less than min k, then move your starting index to current index plus 1 and mark these both flags false, because none of the elements which are found earlier than these index are useful. So make this false, that you never found any min or max, because you cannot start your subarray from here, you cannot include these elements. Now if you found your minimum of k element, suppose you are in that index, at that index you found your minimum of k, then you can make this flag true, that yes, you are found, and index of minimum of k equals to current index. You stored the index of this minimum of k. This is the case, second case. And if you found your maximum of k, then you also have to store the index of maximum of k and mark this flag also true. Now let's see the fourth step, and this is the most important step of this question. If you understand this step, then you will definitely do this question by yourself. So what this step tells, that if you found both the elements minimum of k and maximum of k, suppose you found both in these elements, and suppose your starting index of subarray is this a. Suppose this is the starting index, first index, 0th index. Now you have to find how much subarrays are possible within this range, because you can start from a also. So first subarray will be from minimum of k to maximum of k, then second will be from c to maximum of k, and third will be from b to maximum of k, and the final array will be subarray will be from a to maximum of k. So how much subarrays are possible? These three, starting from these three, and then starting from this index. So this is the fourth step, that you have to check whether which of these max k and min k has minimum index, because it is also possible that max k here and min k here. So whose index is less, you can say minimum, and we have to take that index and then subtract the starting index and then add plus 1, because we have to take just this part and then adding, and we have to add plus 1. So what we can do, we can subtract this index from this index, then add 1. So what here we are doing, we are updating answer as answer equals to answer plus minimum of index of min k and index of max k. We are taking the minimum of those indexes, and then we are subtracting the starting index, this index, for getting these values, for getting this range, and then we are incrementing it by 1, because we are also considering this subarray min k to max k. So our answer will be updated. If you don't understand from here, then I have an example for you. Suppose this is the subarray given to you, sorry array given to you, and min k is 1 and max k is 5. So your starting array will starting index will be 3 because you can include 3 as min k is 1, so you can include 3 and you can include 2, and you found min k here 1 and max k here 5. So now how much subarrays are possible? Suppose you are at index 4 when you found the maximum index. Here you found both minimum of k and maximum of k at this index. Now what happened? You have to update your answer. How you are updating? You have to take this two elements and difference of two elements and then this subarray. What you can do? You can take minimum of index of both of these elements 2 and 4. Here its index is 2 and its index is 4. So minimum will be 2 and initially our answer was 0. So index minimum here will be 2 and 0. You have to subtract the starting index which is 0 and you have to add then 1 because of this subarray. So answer will be 3, and which three subarrays are possible? 3 2 1 4 5 first, then 2 1 4 5, and then 1 4 5. These three subarrays are possible. Now if you move forward and see this index number 5, here the element is 4 which is less than 5 and greater than 1, so you can also include this. So answer plus minimum of 2 comma 4, and you have to subtract the starting index and then you have to add one extra one. So what you will get, the previous answer 3 plus minimum will be 2, and here you have to subtract 0 and then you have to add 1. The answer will be 3 to 5 plus 1 6. The previous three subarrays are this, and now the three possible subarrays are 3 to 1 4 5 4 2 1 4 4 5 4 and 1 4 5 4. So this was the approach to this question, and I am attaching the C++ code for this question in the comment section, in the first comment. And if you have any doubt regarding this question, then feel free to discuss in the comment section. And if you found it useful, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel, and please share this video also. So see you in the next video. Bye.